founder of Uku'hamba. So Uku'hamba, what it actually do, it's a company for profit, and we actually leverages the digital technologies, meaning that we use the cutting edge technologies to produce prosthetic limbs for those who can't afford, especially the ones that are coming from rural areas, low income communities, and we make them to be more affordable and easily accessible to our people. And also, apart from that, I facilitated a lot of programs and projects within the science and technology and engineering space. I worked with the likes of the Saipono, which is a big center in the science space, and we were facilitating programs like how to teach kids to use 3D printing, 3D designing, in robotics, and also like creating drones, and just for them to have a skill and additional skills. And then we also do some projects or programs with special schools where we also help the ones that are having disability, but we also bring that thing that they should also be inspired and be in the science space. And apart from that as well, in 2020, I was part of the other group were three innovators, where we actually designed a low cost ventilator that was actually used to assist patient in hospitals because there were not enough ventilators during the times of COVID. And we also produced more than 200 protective gears, where we actually 3D printed the what you call the masks, and also the face shields for the healthcare workers. And then apart from that as well, I also I serve as an advisory committee member at the National Youth ICT Council. The Youth ICT Council is actually a platform where we actually forge or encourages young people to make for IR as put it in the forefront. And then also apart from that, I am actually a multi-award winning entrepreneur and innovator. I've been recognized globally by Forbes as top 500 doers across Africa, global leader in innovation, and top 25 emerging social innovators across Africa. That was 2020, 18. I was also named as top 100 most influential young South Africans in 2020, and also known as also a global leader in health, and also part of the Mail and Guardian top 200 young leaders that are doing well in the health sector, and also recognized as top 100 to top 200 as well in science and engineering. So yeah, I think that's about it about me. Then I also like during my spare time, I do actually mentor young girls, just bringing them into the love of science and technology, because we don't see much females tapping in such spaces. So that's what I do during my spare time. And also in 2018, I also formed a initiative that was called Soweto Young Women Empowerment. So the Soweto Young Empowerment was that we bring young people in one space, and we would arrange